Welcome to my channel Branch Income. In this video I will show you two KDP low content book niches. Maybe you can enter them and make sales in those niches. So I thought that it will be a good idea to share some good niches when I am researching for uh, new niches. So I'm assuming I can't enter to all those niches, but if I find like a good niche, I will share here this niche in channel wherever is a t-shirt design niche or even a KDP niche. So if you are doing KDP, low content and no content books, or like t-shirt, so I will share in this channel all what I found, all what I thought it will be good niche. So today I have two niches and they are in a low content book. So I can say those two niches, they are uh, good niches because I use this SPT Chrome extension from self-publishing Titan. As you can see here, the website also they have many tools and they have two Chrome extensions, one for a keyword and keyword research and BSR, and the other one a huge suggestion expander. Also I did video before about my favorite tools or my favorite KDP or print on demand extension in Chrome. So if you want to check this video in my channel. So today niche is they are first one is number search puzzle book for adults. So as you can see here in SPT, the score, niche score is 51, and 51 is above 50%, and this score is not low, is above 50%. We can assume that niche is quite good to enter to. The result, they are 4,000 results, but let's see average review about 300, average BSR 400,000, and see it's a good sign. Like you can enter to this niche. Number search puzzle book. So if you can create the interior, you can create it like in Google Sheets or in Excel. If you have some experience, you can create it with Excel, or I think there is, you can find a tool that make this number search. But if I don't I couldn't find it yet, but if I find a tool can create this, like generate some like those tool who generate a word search, but here number search. And for adults, because especially like, let's enter to this book to see what's all about this book. As you can see, a lot of rating, and as you can see here, the date of publishing is not like uh, too far, just 1 year before, and or just the last year. As you can see here, uh, more than 54 or 50%, 50 people rating this book, and they are almost all of them or most of them like 5-star review. And let's scroll down to see the like reviews. uh, As you can see, we have like this bad review of 1 star, but you can take this as a positive way and do some tweaks to what this seller, I think, not in any like one that rating you have to consider, but here they say number are too small to read, which the puzzle had one puzzle per page. But let's see, sale or free. If there is just one review, but the other people are satisfied with this book. So this is numbered search coloring book, numbered search puzzle book for adults. So you can create this book. It's just like random numbers, and people try to look to this like random number or this cipher here. As you can see here, some big numbers here, and you just to find them. You get the idea. This is the niche number one. If you want to enter to, and they say this is a good niche because the BSR is quite good, the niche score is quite good, and also the results, they are 4000, but you can like stand out in this niche even if you push it a little bit with ads. The second niche is I see is like little bit harder in order to create the interior, but I think if you like put the work in it, you will find I Spy book for adults. So I will back here to see to show you the book, but let's back here. So let's wait a little bit to see a niche score of this uh, niche. As you can see here, 57. And if we like do it in books and see the niche score in books, and as you can see here, 5000 results, and let's see the niche score what they say. It's like 50%, but as you can see here, a lot of reviews, and also the average BSR is quite good. As you can see here, the average BSR is 100,000. So even the result they are 5000, but I think you can stand out in this niche. Let's filter by paperback and see. So to see just the paperback version of those books, we have like 4000 book or 4000 paperback. Here I Spy with My Little Eye for adults. Let's enter. As you can see here, this book is just it's not like just in March was published, and they have like sales. Also you can price higher in those type of books because they are too hard to not too hard to create, but they are like you can like have pricey book in those type of low content book, not like notebook or sketchbook, because the consumer can't find them just here in Amazon. Let's introduce this book. As you can see, the book has like there is, if you playing some games of hiding object games, these hiding object games, they are in book. As you can see here, like a page full with elements and someone who try to find those pages. So you can go to the like you can create this interior with Canva, and to go to Creative Fabrica and have like a clip art bundle, or download a lot of clip art if you are like subscribed in Creative Fabrica, and make a page like have a lot of stuff inside, and make a spy book for uh, for adult can no, it's not like too hard to create because the idea of a spy book is too easy. So this is the niches that I want to talk about today. I hope you enjoy the video or find a value in this video. Maybe you can get in those niches and have some sales. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.